What's up, YouTube? Been a minute, man. Want to give some nice little vibes out on the interstate, just chilling and stuff. Finna do a tunnel pass for y'all for a little bit. Not too crazy. Anyway, man, I thought about taking like a long drive all the way like to Tennessee and all that, but I said I'm gonna just chill and all that around this way, do some things I need to take care of. So, hey, why not? It's a beautiful, beautiful night. Look, it's so gorgeous out here, man. I'm at the airport. Give that car space. I'm gonna kind of slow up because I do want to get like a nice pass. I probably need to take this truck to Tennessee and go under their tunnels with it, man. Look at the plane over there. UPS. Man, it's so beautiful. Man, I really love this truck. I really do. I want to spoil what I'm going to do for it, but I'm going to wait till I get everything and mention it in another video. So beautiful out here, man. So beautiful. Nothing like some boost under your feet. Anyway, I need to run to the bank, Wells Fargo. Got some couple of checks I need to deposit. Anyway, out the bank. Let me see if I should be able to put it in here. Oh my freaking God. Anyway, we got that squared away. Guys, my windshield is dirty. I think it's finna rain, but you don't know if it wanna rain or not. Georgia weather is so goddamn bipolar. We in the good heart of Savannah. Finna give y'all a pull. Man, they got some goddamn modded cars over here for sale. I might need to look them up and look. It said Trans O Motors. Trans O Motors. I'm gonna have to look them up. I have to look them up. I wasn't even a good pull as I was talking. Anyway, I gotta stop at a light. that turn is. I think it's up. Yeah, the next street. Got beautiful Gulf Stream over there. We work on a pharmacy, AC wise. Hey, we got a tunnel. Now I love that. The only thing I need to do now is go to Tennessee and some other towns that got tunnels and do that. It's pretty epic. I don't think the camera do any justice, but maybe my exhaust. I probably need to change up my exhaust, huh? But she sound good though. I can't complain. But anyway, guys, that's gonna actually be pretty much it. I mean, look how beautiful the night is coming upon us. So I'm finna probably get this video out. I'll upload it in the morning, night, whenever. So anyway, I see y'all, man. Y'all be safe out there. Stay safe. Can't end it off with a pull.